Welcome back, everybody, to Bear's Rod Shop for Saturday, April the 17th here in Texas. Back on all day from 10 to about almost 3:30 today on the CJ376 Corvette Stingray. I got quite a bit done today. Really was impressed. Alan come and stayed with me. And anyhow, today's agenda is we pulled out the front crossover brake line. The one that a week or so ago that, it come out kind of nasty. It broke off. But instead of making a splice to pull the proportioning valve out and the whole brake line assembly all the way up to the brake master cylinder, sitting over there on the bench to get redone. I've got the Eastwood, tubing bender and flare. So I will end up working on that Monday, probably Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. And be ready for next week. All the calipers done, all the brake shoes installed in the calipers. Pressure tested those. I fought that pump, that Bosch, but my other hand one did just fine. No, we got good, pistons and fluid, and they're working like they should. 950 is where I went to with them, and if you really stomp on these 4 pistons, you can get as much with the power brakes up to 1200 psi. But anyhow, that being said, got into the rotors, double checking them, put the right one on, and used my magnetic holder with my dial indicator. And I really wasn't happy. I was running around 7 thousandths. And I put the same rotor right and left, even though they have right and left. I wanted to make sure that rotor. And I had Alan holding in on the axle because, yes, you do have backlash running in and out. So unhappy at. After he left, I come over to the mill, a known flat surface. That mill's been trammed in a week or so ago, maybe 3 now. And I've got them up here. Let's get the camera around here. And let's move in here a little bit. I don't want to reach up there and do the zoom till I get a better camera. But right now we're setting, it doesn't matter if we're your 0, 10, 20, whatever. I'm setting on 70. And run this around before I shot this video. And let's see if we can get you right up here to the gauge. And I'm going to run dead center right now. And again, this is a known flat surface, very clean on the bottom side. I don't have to worry about 2 or 3 thousandths of grit. But we're running a true in the middle, as true as I can turn this. And we're back around to where I started. Let's see. No, I got a purple mark on there, marker. But right now, we're running less than 1 thousandth. Now let's get out here on the edge, about a 1/2 inch from the edge. And she's running about as true as a clock can run. And I'm using this base over here to kind of rub up against so I can keep her steady. Now I swing over here to the middle. I'm well pleased with this one. This one's in tolerance. And that being said, I'm going to slide this out of the way. Zoom back out. Stuck my finger in the way. Oh, good night. Man, I guess I better go wash my hands. All right. Anyhow, I'm not going to take up a whole lot of time today. We'll check the front drums, or front rotors, as well. But I'm going to take these, regardless, back over to a buddy of mine there in Hicksville. It's only a few miles out. Get new hashes put in them. The rear still have the hash in them, but I want to go ahead and redo these, and we're not going to paint these, no. We already painted all the calipers and stuff, and I'm not going to try to go in there and take up a bunch of time painting each fin. That being said, please again, thumbs up. Please subscribe if you like our channel. Send us comments. Hit that notification bell for all videos and notice. And we'll do our darndest to put out more steady videos. We want to wind this Corvette up. I said this last July. I want to wind it up in July of last year, and by August, this thing better be fired up and interior in and the air conditioner and all the duct work going down the road for Alan and his pop. And then I can get on with that CJ5 and the Dodge truck and 28 Nash, and it just goes on and on. But I'm starting to feel better, guys. 34 pounds down in less than a month. I went in on March the 16th, and I was hitting 278, and this morning I was 244. So hopefully you see a skinnier bear in these videos. Yeah, I probably lost 5 pounds in beard. But anyhow, that's kind of was a joke. Maybe a pound. Okay. Metal Shaper, Brian, I'm going to get back on the CJ. Jack in Ohio, yes, I'm going to get back on the CJ. Joe Pye, I watch you every day. I tell you what, he makes them little tiny parts on that model of that South Bend 9. Boy, you guys ought to watch him. Not only is he a good teacher, a super person, and, I'm hooked on watching him. Adam over at A-Bomb and Brian over there at BBC Block 02. Become to just absolutely love watching his channel. And I really like his last video where he's laying on the shop floor. Now, a lot of times I like to lay on the blanket. I don't want to get up. The wife will ring my cell phone. I don't even answer. I just lay there on the blanket and have a good time. All right. We hope this has been entertaining today. And y'all have a wonderful what's left of spring. Summer's coming around. We know we're going to be probably hitting hundreds here by June, July. And we might have actually say, well, I wish we had that snow and blizzard we had in February. But I don't think so. All right, y'all come back and visit, and please share. Check out my Facebook. A lot of times I'll put things from Titan over there at the Academy of CNC, and those guys floor me. 9-axis, CNC machines, just absolutely, they astound me because of all the way that the heads and two chucks are moving. And well, I tell you, I want to take a tour if they'll ever invite us over there and really enjoy it. Just over the hill, about 40 miles into Flower Mound. And let's welcome them from California in here. They brought in super employees. They're giving free lessons on our younger people. All you got to do is sign up for the Academy. I am in the fixturing part. I'm not as diligent because I'm busy, but fixturing's always been something that, since I'm a new machinist, that I have to stop and really consider what is the easiest and the best and the safest way to fixture a part on these manual mills and manual lathes and turn out some nice work and not public work for ourselves, but since we do have the equipment, I've got to put it to use and learn more about fixturing. All right. Y'all come back and visit. Please share. God bless.